Now, setting price alert in cryptocurrency is one important tool that most crypto traders can't do without, as it becomes like a benchmark for them to either purchase or sell a particular crypto. So let me go to Trust Wallet and show you guys how to set the price alert for a particular cryptocurrency. So some of these cryptos you're seeing here that are 2000 that are already zero were bought with great amount of money. Some were bought with like $10 since last year, that's since 2021 till now, and it's all dumped. All right, so let's start with let me start with this 𝗕𝗏𝗘 token right here. If I tap on 𝗕𝗏𝗘, now you won't see any stuff like price alert something or whatever around this 𝗕𝗏𝗘 here. So first of all, before I go on with that, what does this price alert do? Now, price alert only pop up a notification on your mobile phone, like somewhere around here. Okay, yeah, somewhere around here of your mobile phone, that's at the top bar, or alert you to tell you that okay, the price has actually reached the particular amount that you set it. Okay, so now when you get to Trust Wallet, just click on the upper right hand side of the Trust Wallet of the particular coin, that place. Now there, when you click there, it shows some other vital information, which include the chart as displayed from CMC, and then the website, the explorer, and then most importantly what we're looking for, the price alert. Okay, you can see the price alert right there. So you can see that this particular crypto, the price alert is actually on check. All right, so now all I need to do is to turn it on by clicking it. All right, it's turned on, so I will be alerted whenever this particular crypto goes to a particular price or goes below a particular price. So I just turned it on now. So same thing applies to other cryptos on this wallet. Okay, let me look for this one token I bought and sold last year. It was a great token. The name is called 𝗕𝗏𝗡𝗙. So there are a lot of tokens here, a lot of tokens that were actually active from last year. Most of them are dead right now, like they're totally dead, nothing. Okay, let me choose another one. Let me tap this one, for instance, tap on that section and click on price alert. So whenever it gets to a certain price, attain a all-time low or all-time high price, it will be updating me with a notification. But if you want to go further, you can use coinmarketcap. Coinmarketcap is actually kind of better in a way of setting price alert. So let me click on XRP, for instance. So I just click on XRP, then at the top bar just swipe the notification and click on alerts. So here I'll set price alert. Now on Trust Wallet, they allow you to just tap, and by enabling the price alert notification, that one, whenever whatever price it attains or goes below, it will just alert you. But on XRP, they give you the opportunity to write the particular price you want. So let's say in USDT, I can decide to write 1 or 2, 1 1 2 0.00118. Okay, yeah, I have to get rid of all that. Okay, so I want this price to notify me when it gets to $1 and set price alert. Boom, I've set price alert for XRP. So whenever XRP hit $1, it will alert me. This notification is always very good for, let's say you want to sell a particular token or you want to buy a particular token. Whenever it gets to a certain price, so you set that price alert. So let's use this particular UFO gaming as well. So looking at this chart right now, I could decide to set price alert whenever this UFO token Okay, the past 24 hours has gone down by 2.2%. So whenever this UFO token goes below this 0.0000, maybe it goes to 0.501, I'll set the price a lot. So let me tap here and click on price a lot. So whenever it goes to 0.000, let's say 3000, all right, I've just set an alert for. So now the great thing about this is, or CoinMarketCap, is you can add as many price alert as possible. Let's say when it goes to 0.004000, you should as well send me an alert. Okay, so you can set as many alert as possible for one particular crypto asset. So that's how to set price alert, so that whenever you want your crypto apps to notify you about a particular coin you want to buy or you want to sell, you just get a notification, and then it helps you to just get off your schedule and then just do the needful as soon as possible.
So you wanna hit that subscription button right now, subscribe, and see you in my next video.